Hello everyone, once again welcome back on my YouTube channel Queen Alexandra. Today I am here with very amazing and very interesting project. So guys, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos and notification. Before starting my further review, I want to say I'm not your financial advisor and not responsible for your profit or loss. This video is only for educational purpose. So guys, let's start the review now. This project is about US Dawn coin, the US Dawn coin of tomorrow. In this video, I will tell you about I'll explore and their DEX tools and how you can buy US Dawn. So stay tuned for end of the video. So guys, make crypto great again with US Dawn, the meme coin for fun, community and big dreams. Join the US Dawn revolution today. Our long-term goal is to build a decentralized ecosystem that empowers users and fosters creativity and creates real-world utility, all while having a blaster together. The future of US Dawn is limitless. So you buy now. Their address is given here by from this you can copy and buy now. Their Telegram and Twitter account is also given here. You must have to join their community, and their about is also given. About of US Dawn is here that welcome back President Trump. America is ready for a new chapter as you return to lead as the 47th president. With your bold vision and unwavering commitment, we will resign the spirit of freedom and prosperity and strength together. We will make America great again and again. The future is filled with endless possibilities, and the best is yet to come us. So guys, let's go to work and don't miss out the fun. Buy US Dawn coin today and be the part of movement. So guys, how you can buy US Dawn? All the steps are given here. They are very simple and very easy steps. Follow this simple step to get started with buying US Dawn coin, and it's a quick and very easy process. Just make sure you have everything set up before you start. So their steps are given. The first step is set up your Phantom wallet. Install the Phantom wallet extension and create a wallet. And the next is secure Sol token. Buy Sol on an exchange and transfer it to your Phantom wallet. And the third one is buy US Dawn coin. Go to Radium and Jupiter and connect your wallet. And last one is swap for US Dawn. You were at all set. Connect your wallet, and you have not already, then purchase US Dawn as you need it. So all the steps are given here, and you must have to join their Telegram and Twitter community, and their Twitter Telegram account is given here. You must have to follow on their community. And next you have their swap, Jupiter swap, and their flow charts is also given here. You must have to see this and also join, and you can connect your wallet by this on this app. And next their US Dawn. This is the US Dawn flow charts. You must have to see there, and their dex screener, and all the their time, their date, type USD, US Dawn, Sol, and their price and their maker also are given here. Their website link, their Twitter and Telegram account are also given here. Their USD price is 1985, and their Sol price also given here, and all other details are also you must have to watch there. And their liquidity providers and their holders, snipers, and their top traders also, they all everything is given in their charts. You must have to see this and their vast leads, alerts, and their multi charts, new pairs, their gainers, loser, and also advertisers, and all the must details you must have to see there.